Hello guys. So another day, another pattern. Do you remember that we were looking at EURUSD here as a possible flat right here and also possible flat to go up from here? But what ended up happening was a very complex running flat. I posted this idea, I think it was 2 days ago, my shorts, YouTube shorts. If I go down here, you can see EURUSD trade idea.
Hello guys.
Posted it
I'm here
right here where I showed that there was a possible
trade to the upside
complex three-wave
right
structure
now.
and a possible
We
trade
have
to
what
the
looks
upside.
like a very possible
So,
three-wave structure.
This is something that is very important. Adaptation and adjustments, right? Because we were looking at a possible pattern here. But this did not happen, right? Look at this. If I just go back, look at how clean it looks right now. If you're too biased, if you were way too biased, you would think that, okay, this will go up. Let me just buy this. And if you go into a trade based on belief or expectations, you will get hurt and you will react emotionally when it goes and does something different. But if you can keep your head cool, right? Stay objective and analyze the chart, analyze the price action as it's developing, you will be able to find these kind of setups, to find these one good trades. This is what trading is about, okay? Adaptation and adjustments. And I'm gonna keep saying it as many times as it takes, because something that I have to ingrain in myself and something that you guys also have to understand, because trading is not really about just finding one setup, finding one trade. It's really about having the ability to adjust and to adapt and to see what's actually developing in front of you, okay? So this was just a quick update on patterns on EURUSD. So I hope that you find value in this, and thanks for watching.